What's up guys? So it's third session of Wi-Fi here at Parkal. So we are going to Seoul Pilates. And then namamalat tayo today kasi nagwala ako sa badminton game ka. So for today's video, medyo kakaiba kasi as you can see, araw yung bumungad sa atin, hindi yung lights kapag gabi. So typically, ang binubook ni wife is panggabi with Coach Ira. Kaso hanggang 10 a.m. lang yung for today's niya na tawag dito na schedule. So kita, ang dami palang mga activities pa rin talaga sa Portugal. So every morning, sobrang active here. So yan, packet muna kami sa Seoul Pilates, tapos baka mamaya mag-breakfast kami sa Starbucks. Ako kape lang kasi hindi na ako na kumakain pag umaga. Okay, fitness check, session 3. Morning, Coach Ira. Morning po. Coach, ang aga ngayon ah. Oh, nocturnal pa naman kami. Umaga kami right now. It's around 10:06 na. And then, ang daming tao sa loob. So, hindi ko makakapasok. Pasilip ko sa inyo. Ayan, medyo madaming tao right now.
Exhale, extend, leg visible. Good. Inhale. Exhale for deep. That's good. Inhale, relax the shoulders. Exhale, extend. Good. Now, inhale, turn. Exhale, extend. Last 3. Inhale, sakit. Exhale. Hinga ka lang. Inhale and relax. Exhale. Last one. Inhale, nose. And exhale now. Good. Inhale, return. And slowly roll up. Wrap your toes. Wrap your toes. Good. From here, stay there. Relax your neck. Press down your triceps. Triceps, you will press ha. Hindi hands. Slowly lift your hips up. Tuck your tailbone in. And slowly roll up this way. No. Roll up this way. Bridge, yeah. Up. Higher. 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 Bridge. Relax your shoulders. Higher. Squeeze your glutes. There. Squeeze your glutes. No strain on the neck. No. Dito ramdam. Dito. Okay, inhale. Your tailbone in. Exhale. Lift your hips up. Articulate your spine. Good. A little bit high.